If you have been thinking about decorating your house wall, I'm sure this video will get you some ideas. This video is all about a budget-friendly wall decoration, and this is one of the most requested videos from our channel. If this is the first time you're watching a video on this channel, a little heads up. Usually, I upload videos about life in Australia, home decor and DIYs in both Tamil and English languages. If this sounds interesting, please subscribe to my channel to show your support. And a gentle tap on the notification bell icon to get regular updates of my videos. I want the wall to have a classic Indian touch, so I drafted a layout related to it. I bought an A4 size photo frame from a dollar shop and wrapped the back side of the frame with the silk cloth using the craft glue. Then I added some decorative stones on the top of the cloth and left it to dry overnight. Once it dried fully, I placed it back in the frame. Now, this will make a beautiful statement piece for the wall. Moving on to the next item, Temple Tower. Temple Tower is a great choice to showcase our classic Indian decor. A simple search on the Google gave me plenty of options to choose from. Once I chose the design, I printed it and cut it to the size of the photo frame that I already had at home. Isn't it super easy? Please let me know in the comments. Moving on to the third item, and it's my favorite item too. I bought this box frame from a dollar shop and covered the back side with the gift wrapping paper. Then I stuck the brass idol to the frame. This mounting tape came handy and it was good enough to hold the brass idol to the frame firmly. I wanted to add some colors to the wall, and I got this beautiful Lotus Image from my Google search. And here, I have a point to mention. Whenever I download an image from the Google, I make sure it's free from copyright, so that we can stay away from any hassle. I printed the image and framed it to add it to the wall. My love for Nelicolam never ends, but sadly, I'm not good at drawing them. But this cannot stop me at all because Google comes handy here. I have printed few designs of my choice from Google and pasted it on the canvases. Here, I have used 2 canvases. My funky mind doesn't stop here. I wanted some bling. So I decorated the canvases with some decorative stones to make it more shine. Now I'm adding Ganesha wall hanging and the Lakshmi brass hanging as an accessories to give a finishing touch. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give a big thumbs up to this video. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.